Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the Bluetooth on or off button is missing on your Windows. So if the Bluetooth on and off button is missing on your settings and also on your Windows taskbar, then how can we fix that? So let's go quick into the process. First is we need to check the Bluetooth services. So for that, in the Windows search bar, type services. Now you will find services under the best match, then you just need to click on that. Now here in the B section, as this are arranged in alphabetical order, you can find I have three Bluetooth services from here. Now in your case, if you have more than three Bluetooth services, the process is just the same. So let's show it for the first one. Make a right click and then select properties. Startup type, that should be automatic. If this is not running, you have to click on start, apply, and then okay. So you have to do that for all the Bluetooth services from here. You just need to make sure that it is running from here in the services window. Now once done, close this. Then for the next method, make a right click at the start button, then you have to select device manager in the list of options. Now here in the device manager window, you will find Bluetooth, this one. But if you cannot find the Bluetooth from here, you just need to simply click on your user and click on action and click on scan for hardware changes until you find your Bluetooth. Or you can also click on view and click on show hidden devices until you can find the Bluetooth from here. Now once you find Bluetooth, so here, let me click this. We need to look for our driver. So here I have the Realtek Bluetooth adapter. So what you can do is we need to make a right click and then we have to select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed and we need to close this. But if this is also disabled in your case, like that, disable, because sometimes we have disabled this, that's why we are facing the issue. Now we need to make sure that we are going to enable it. So all you have to do is make a right click on it and then select enable device. So make sure that it is enabled from here in the device manager window. Now once this is done, then we need to close this device manager window. We can also download the Bluetooth driver from the official or the manufacturer's website. So open any browser. Let's open the Google Chrome browser. Click on it. So I have the Realtek Bluetooth driver. So here in the search bar, you just need to simply type Realtek Bluetooth driver. Hit enter. But if you have the different manufacturer like Intel, then you can simply search the same thing. Just simply type Intel Bluetooth driver. And here you just need to simply click on this Realtek Bluetooth drivers. So if you have a different manufacturer, then you can simply type the manufacturer name and then Bluetooth driver. And that will give you this option from the official website's Bluetooth drivers. Because not all Windows has the same manufacturer for every driver. So you just need to simply follow the methods. Now here we just need to simply install any the Bluetooth driver from here. So we have here download now. So we just need to click on the download now button and this will download the file. Then after that, we just need to click on the install. So we just need to simply make sure that we are going to install that from the official website of our Bluetooth driver. Okay, so once done, then we just need to simply close out of here. For the next method, we can also perform or run some commands in the command prompt. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type cmd. Now you have to click on run as administrator on the right pane. Now here simply type sfc space /scan now It's as of C space / scan now, hit enter. So the verification process will take some time. This will fix and check for all system corrupted files. So what we can do is you just need to wait in a while until this process will be successful. And once this is done, then you just need to simply close out of here and then make a restart of your Windows. Then open CMD again to run the second command. Click on run as administrator. Here you just need to simply type DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. Hit enter. So you just need to follow the command DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. This will repair your Windows image. So what you can do is you just need to simply wait for the process to be done. This will take some time depending on your Windows. But once this is done, also the process, you need to close out of here and finally make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So if any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.